Hello everybody, I'm so glad you're here and I'm so excited to share this workshop with you. The Transparent Layers workshop, it is close to my heart because if you know any of my work, I'm all about the story and how we put our journal pages or our artwork together that tells the story of where we are or what we're doing or what we want to remember. And so this workshop is so good because it does all of that. We are going to layer some beautiful layers together so that they melt together, so that they're seamless, so that you can see all of the story that you're trying to tell with your journal page or with your art. Oh, I'm so excited to share this with you because this is at the heart of what I do and what I love to do. I hope that you'll take the journey with me. So let's get into some of the details about the workshop. So we're going to create 3 pieces and you'll see them here. We're going to be using 3 of my favorite techniques, 3 of my favorites. That just melt all those layers together so that you can see the under papers and you can see what's on top. It's so yummy good. So we're going to cover the 3 techniques. We're going to also cover composition. I'll just grab my notes here. Composition, placement of your layers, that makes all the difference in being able to really tell your story and see all of the different layers throughout your work. Blending, which is really important to that layering process so that no one can tell what was first, what's last. It's so good. Shading, color placement, which is a big one for a lot of us. Sometimes color can be a little hard. What images work best, and you will actually have all of the images that I use in all of these projects available to you. Now, you can use those to practice with, and I'm hoping that you will grab your own images and create your own stories. But you will have everything that you need in the classroom to download and use. We'll work with mediums that are sure to make that your layers just melt together. This is a work at your own pace workshop. All the materials in the video are available as soon as you purchase. So you'll have everything right away. I'm always available for questions. There's a discussion area in the classroom as well as you can email me. I love questions. If you get stuck, I'm always available and we'll get back to you as soon as possible to help you really feel successful in your projects. So I think I've covered all of the details and I'm just so excited about this, and I'm excited to see what you create and the stories that you tell in your projects through this Transparent Layers workshop. So I hope that you'll join me. I hope you'll check out all of the details, and then I hope to see you in class.